But here it is. This is the Argus 3. It has smart detection and can even tell the difference between like a car or a person or a pet. And you can even set those motion alerts to let you know if like there's a pet out there or if it's just a person, how far away they are, how close they are. You can even block out certain parts of the screen to make sure that those motions don't alert you. It's really sophisticated and like fully customizable. You can also clip in certain spots and like zoom in for more detail, and you can go through the settings and customize it further with like flipping the camera vertically or horizontally in case you need to do that. You can change the frame rate and resolution, adjust the brightness. You could set the light for motion and whether or not you want the infrared lights to show. You can even set a recording schedule, and you can also set how long after the motion you want it to keep recording for. And you can even set this thing up and you can record a time-lapse video, and that's really cool. I do think that's an awesome feature. But yeah, that's everything you need it to do, and the main thing is it works and it looks good, it sounds good.